Are you struggling to focus while studying? Do you find it hard to remember what you've studied when the exam comes around? You're not alone. Many students face these challenges, especially when exams are near. Distractions, stress, and poor memory can make studying feel overwhelming. But here is the good news. Your brain is more powerful than you think. With the right techniques, you can boost both your memory power and your ability to concentrate. In today's video, I'm going to share 7 proven tips to enhance your focus and memory retention. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share 2 fascinating facts about the brain that will blow your mind. The first tip to improve your memory is to make your learning active. Turn what you're learning into a story. Our brains are naturally wired to remember stories and experiences. Instead of just memorizing dry facts, try creating a narrative around the information. For example, if you're studying history, think of it as a movie where you're the main character. Visualize yourself interacting with historical figures and events. This way, your brain will naturally connect the dots and make recalling the information much easier. Tip 2. Take frequent breaks, the Pomodoro technique. Have you ever noticed that after studying for long hours, your focus starts to fade? That's because our brains can only focus for so long before they need a break. Use the Pomodoro technique, where you study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. During those 5 minutes, move around, get a snack, or simply relax. These short breaks allow your brain to recharge, and you'll find that your focus sharpens when you return to your studies. Tip 3. Teach someone else. One of the best ways to lock information into your memory is to teach it to someone else. When you explain something in your own words, your brain reinforces the information. It doesn't have to be an actual person. You can imagine teaching a friend or even explain the topic out loud to yourself. For example, try explaining a complex math concept or a chapter from a textbook. If you can break it down simply, it means you've mastered it. Tip 4. Use visualization techniques. Another powerful method is visualization. Close your eyes and try to create mental images of what you're studying. For example, if you're studying biology, imagine how a cell looks and functions. Visualize the components, like the nucleus or the mitochondria, as if you're seeing them under a microscope. By turning information into vivid mental images, you engage multiple parts of your brain, which helps improve both focus and memory. Tip 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Did you know that mindfulness and meditation can drastically improve concentration? Studies show that meditation helps your brain filter distractions and improves your attention span. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day of deep breathing or mindfulness exercises can make a huge difference. Before you study, try sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, and clearing your mind. You'll find that it helps you focus better when you hit the books. Tip 6. Stay hydrated and eat brain-boosting foods. Your brain is like a high-performance engine, and it needs fuel to function properly. That's why staying hydrated and eating the right foods is so important. Drink enough water throughout the day and focus on brain-boosting foods like walnuts, blueberries, and leafy greens. For example, omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon, have been shown to support brain health and memory retention. Avoid sugary snacks and junk food, which can make you feel sluggish and unfocused. Tip 7. Get enough sleep. The final and most important tip is to get enough sleep. During sleep, your brain processes and stores the information you've learned throughout the day. Pulling all-nighters or sacrificing sleep to study more actually hurts your ability to remember and focus. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. You'll be amazed at how much sharper and more focused you feel after a good night's rest. So there you have it, 7 effective tips to improve your memory power and focus. Let's quickly recap. 1. Turn learning into a story. 2. Take breaks with the Pomodoro technique. 3. Teach someone else. 4. Use visualization techniques. 5. Practice mindfulness and meditation. 6. Eat brain-boosting foods and stay hydrated. 7. Get enough sleep. Now, let's know 2 interesting facts about the brain as mentioned earlier. The brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb. That's right. While you're thinking, your brain produces around 20 watts of electrical power. Your brain is more active while you sleep than when you're awake. That's why sleep is so important for memory consolidation and learning. Now that you know these tips and facts, it's time to apply them and boost your brain power. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more student hacks and study strategies.